What is your definition of artificial general intelligence?
Oh boy, I have never thought about this before. So, artificial intelligence is something that is smart, but also human made, but it's very specific to the task that you ask it to do. And then to be general, it's really generalized. It's that means that you can take this artificial intelligence and throw it at whatever problem you need to do. And so it's like, hey, AI thing that I've trained on data from the real world, make me a boat in the Amazon, or make me a boat in Antarctica. See what you do with that, or make me a boat in the Panama Canal, and it can handle all these things. I'm not sure why it's boat specific, but in this case, it was.
Yeah, okay. So you're giving it a human would have to do some training about
Mm-hmm.
making boats,
Mm-hmm.
but you and I, with some training, some textbooks, some classroom time,
Figured
could
out.
learn how to make boats for
Mm-hmm.
survival situations in those different scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
And we could, if we wanted to, we could take our own initiative and do it.
Mm-hmm.
Somehow, that's really hard for for artificial intelligence as we know it.
Yeah.
But like learning languages or doing calculations is like wildly superhuman.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, what the heck is it about like humans that makes us general while simultaneously just
That's right.
awful at
That's right.
things?
So humans are able to put together rules. They're able to observe rules and figure out what the pattern is. Whereas for AI stuff, you got to tell it what the rules are. Oh, that's not true.
Yeah.
That's totally not true because that's what machine learning is. You give it a bunch of data and you say you figure out what the rules are.
But somehow it craps out. Like
Somehow
you
it
give it
craps out.
all this data that a human brain would not be able to handle it all. And, like 3 steps in,
Mm,
crapping out.
mm.
I don't, I,
Maybe because it lacks the heuristics loops where humans like I've seen this 1,000 times, I get it right. Then 1,001 times is wrong, 1,002 times wrong, 1,003 times wrong, and then you start to doubt yourself. You start to doubt yourself. You start to worry, like, did I really learn this in school? Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. But then if you doubt yourself enough and the pattern continues to 1,010, 1,030, and then you start saying, oh, maybe there's a new rule, you get to adapt.